Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make this as a Beyblade first. So first, you can't hold the camera. Just open it, okay? Okay, it's not open. Unscrew it. It's screw, right? Okay, how to make that burst? So you see like this, the bottom part with this. That's it. That, that's all you need. You need to put that together. Just throw that back there. Then fix it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that should look like this, like a barrage, but no, that's not a barrage. That's a auto mode. Okay, let's try that with Leon. Okay, I've done it. Look, that looks like it's not heavy. It's not so heavy because yeah. Oh, I have other one. Yes. Okay, all right. Make sure you just screw it so good because it's bursting. So let's find another one. I think this. Okay. Okay, I've done it. You can do it with the 40 base, right? Just the 40 base. So let's find another one. Uh, this can burst. Oh, that's qualified. This one qualified. This one as well. I don't want to do this. No, get back that. That's okay. Qualified. Let's battle like separate them into two. Okay. Huh. What should we do? What should we do? Okay. I'm disqualifying this. You're disqualified. They battling two. Okay. This one first. Make sure you have some gloves. Make sure you have some gloves because that's hurt. Okay. I don't have because yeah. I have strong hands. Can hear it? Look. Yeah. Battle again. Round 2 of this. Okay. Oh, I think he won because he's heavier than anyone, right? Okay, you won. Okay, you won, punk. So this one, battle of town. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I just can't hold it like that. So I just put it in the box. Yeah. Okay, their battle. 3, 2, 1. That's exploded. Round 2. I think no one's gonna win. This that's first. Burst! Burst! Boom. Some louder, man. Boom! Dragon wins. Round. I don't know what round it is. Go, battle. Just battle. Yes, sir. Wait. Whoa. You can win it. No, you can't. Burst. That's burst. That burst. Look. What happened? It's the metal. No, it explodes, you bitch. Yes, the winners. Found. Yo. Let's find the other faces. Yeah. What the heck? Okay, just wait here. Gonna find the other one. I'll be right back. Okay, I just can't find the other pieces. Shit, that funk. I lost one briefly. No way. Uh, every time I battle, I destroy a Beyblade. No. See our roof? They destroy it. Okay. Oh well, that's a little bit cheap. So yeah, throw that in my throw that in the microwave. No, don't throw that in the microwave. Okay, the next battle is this. Still watching? Like that. There's no metal in this. Oh, there is. Bottom. Yeah, it's fighting. He's fighting. Wait. I'm gonna battle him. 10 times. Battle. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Oh, he won. Yes. I won. I won. Okay. Well, battle. Let's begin. Here. Call me also. Oh, what a battle. Bitch. I'm gonna win it too. YOLO, you won. I won. Fuck move. Round 2. So who's gonna win? There's still a loser. Okay, there are 3 wins. I think that was the. Oh man. Yeah, I put it right here. Oh well, oh well. Okay. Battle. 3 on 3. 1v1 number 2. Nice. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Not too close because it's burst. What qualified for? Uh-huh. What do you want? Battle. Okay, I'm gonna battle. I'm wasting some times. Okay, that's one. Ouch. Knock down. That hurts. Okay. Battle again. Okay. Skip spin. Ouch. Man. Stop doing that. Okay, battle again.